Yeah, of course I can tell Coon.
We're not using fresh lime juice today because I could be fucked to juice 30 limes. 6 ounces of lime juice. If that ain't 6 ounces, I don't know what it is. I'm not making our own fresh crust because I could be fucked to juice 30 almonds. Looks like we got about 3/4 here, so we're just gonna gloop, 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 gloop. Dinner is served.
What happened, Cole?
The splatter zone was immaculate. He's over there.
Were you guys filming when it happened?
Oh,
Fuck, I gotta go to the store. Should've bought 2 crusts.
should have bought 2 crusts.
You know, it's all about the presentation. That right there just takes me home. God. It's so tempting to fucking lick this shit off the floor.
You're going in the garbage next. Cool.
Alright, take 2. Beautiful pie. We're gonna let this cool for a moment. So we got our boiling water. We got our egg whites and sugar. Feels pretty good. We're gonna beat our little hearts out.